To adjust the bass on your JBL Charge 6, you do need the JBL Portable app. So go to your respective app store and install the JBL Portable app if you haven't. And as long as your phone is connected to your speaker, it's going to appear there. Now here we have the equalizer, and then you have this default equalizer settings. We have the JBL signature, chill, energetic, and if you go all the way to the right, you will see custom. So if you tap on custom, it allows you to edit. So tap on edit, and then here you can adjust the bass as you wish. Now the equalizer settings on the left hand side are the ones for bass, so you can reduce bass or increase bass with these two. Okay, so depending on what you want, for bass and treble, you can just adjust them using the sliders on the left hand side. These ones are for your mid-range, and these ones are for your highs, your tweeters. So that's how to adjust bass on your JBL your JBL Charge 6. And once you select your customization, it's going to remain the default equalizer settings for your speaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.